Oh, cat's a little shy. There's my main man Flint right there, right Flint? Flint's the patriarch around here. Here's Flint's house. He has a single family house. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. One of the watering holes we have. Let me show you up here. A couple watering dishes. This here. These are penthouses. Got a couple penthouses, not the nicest, but it'll do. Anyway, see old Minnie down here. Minnie's not feeling well. Had to go to the doctor last Tuesday. Gave her some diuretic medication, and hopefully you'll be fine. I want to take you into the barn. Give a quick tour of that, really quick. Let's see what we got here. Here's our cabinets we use. We are really not fancy around here. Got some bird seed over here. And in order to keep the place really clean, got this 16-gallon vacuum cleaner. And for the upcoming rebuilding new houses, we got some materials over here we're going to be using. Make some new cat houses this spring. I'm going to get right on it soon. I get some more nails. I need some nails and screws. Don't have enough as of right now. Pardon the mess. There goes Flint again. Hey Flint. Oh yeah, there's Flint's sidekick. You'll never see these two guys separated, hardly ever. Where one goes, the other one goes. Isn't that right, Grandpa? AKA Sir Wilhelm. Yeah, we're going to come out to the front now. Over here, we have an apartment complex. This is something I built last spring. Right there, and there's one of my favorites there, JoJo. She's a girl. She's a girl cat. Let's see anybody else out here. Not right now. There's another watering hole we have for the little cats. And take around here to the corner. Show you some of the other accommodations. We got Drake. You'll see Drake at the front door all the time. In the cat tree. And just another little bed I got from a couple more little accommodations when it gets a little cool out there. Yeah, Minnie's not really doing that well. She's kind of an old gal. If anybody's a vet, got any recommendations? She has some kind of upper respiratory illness, but it's not contagious, evidently. Hey, there goes Bailey. Bailey, come over and say hi. Well, I'll see you later, Bailey. Let me take you inside, introduce you to some of the newest members of the family. And that's Archie. That's what he does best. I really don't want to bother him. And let's see what we got here. Now, this is Cece. Say hi, Cece. Okay, thanks. Now, Cece's a pregnant cat. Should be having them kittens pretty soon. Today is the 13th day, so you've been here almost 2 weeks. And I rescued Cece. I'll show you on the on another clip where Cece came from. She's over there in the oil fields, aka the gas station, with a whole bunch of other kitties that I feed in the morning. And before we get out of here, take you by and let me see my shepherd dog. Here's the shepherd dog. Say hi, Polly. Polly's a really good shepherd dog. If you're going to have a cat farm, you're going to need a shepherd dog to keep your herd in line. And Polly does a great job of doing that. Thanks, Polly. Now over here, we have some treats and things like that for the cats. Party mix. Don't give them too many of those, though. They'll overdose. There's some Polly's milk bones. And, of course, you need a medicine cabinet when you have a lot of animals around. And you're going to also need a lot of food. As you can tell, there's been a lot of Friskies food. 16-pound and 22-pound bags. Oh, there's Cece. Now you see Cece? She's a little pudgy right now. She'll be having those kittens in no time. And if anyone's interested in adopting Cece or her kittens when they come, I'll leave a description or a phone number in the description where you'll be able to give me a contact me. And hopefully today's the 13th. Today's February 13th. So if you're watching this video, Cece be having those babies pretty soon. Oh, here comes Archie. When it rains, it pours. One gets up, the other one gets up. Archie, want to say hi? Say hi. Are you hungry? Oh, you're always hungry, right? What do you want?